Ready? 20 plus iOS 26 hidden features Apple didn't tell you. Lightning round, go! Back tap for shortcuts, live text in video, visual lookup to ID objects. Focus filters by app library smart suggestions, quick take for instant video. Custom lock screen widgets, live activities for real-time updates, name drop for instant contact share. Safari tab groups sync, private relay hides your IP, mail privacy protection blocks trackers. Offline Siri handles requests on device, voice isolation for calls, live captions for any audio. Photos duplicate detection and cleanup, hidden album locked with Face ID, smart photo editing tools. Floating one-handed keyboard, quick note from the corner, universal clipboard across devices. SharePlay and FaceTime for synced media, spatial audio personalization, AirDrop faster large file transfers. Focus status shows others you're busy, shortcuts automations run instantly, Siri suggests helpful shortcuts. Haptic keyboard feedback and smarter predictive text, Face ID works with masks, Find My separation alerts save you trips. That's over 20 hidden features. Want the full breakdown? Subscribe now and tap the bell for deep dive tutorials.